welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the Mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about a few other things, giving a lesson on, what people can do if they do not like someone. He's saying that basically, if you do have, access to social media, and you do go on social media and there's some people that you do not like, there's always a way for you to just pass them on and move to the next person. He's saying that you do not have to sit around and listen to what the person you don't like have to say, and then, to make comments that, to him really don't make sense. So he's saying that, just move on, move to the next page, move to the other person that you like, and stop dwelling on the persons that you don't like. He's saying that you're the one that controls your phone, not the person on social media. So you don't have to sit and watch what the person you dislike has to say. So go ahead and go catch the video and hear what he has to say. And more, he speaks about being old and, not that there's a lot of people on, on the web that they're getting old and, that everybody must travel that road. And he's telling them how to go and check. So you wouldn't want to miss that. Go and check it out now. And for all my lovelies today that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays, I would like to send a shout out to you. And I want to say, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, and whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this channel to each and every one of your friends. Yes, because there's a lot of things that will be here. And keep it going. Just go ahead now and go and listen to what Dwayne has to say. But talk too much now. Yeah, have a great day.
I the owner of something and I know and own it. Not me, not anybody. Own it. Which means say, control wanna go. I wanna down go. No. Tell me if I tell lie. Control wanna go. I wanna don't go. Which means say, if you take up the phone, I wanna say, alright, me go over dog. That's what dog I got on with. I don't like what dog I go a chat say. You tell dog fuck up. Never tell dog fuck up. You just lock off dog and got puss. And if you got puss and you don't puss now what you want you. You say fuck puss. And you got a bird. And if you got a bird and bird not talk with you, you say bird fuck you. Me gonna drunk up. I saw it go. I don't know. I wanna control this. Is an offer. I want to hear about and sit down and listen to social media. Not me, not nobody. And I want to control it. So when I come here, I want to hear my chest. I want to like. On the side, fuck. I got drunk crop. I got eagle. I got shark. I got. You understand? Yeah, girl. I don't know. Go on over busted, girl. Go on over busted. Girl, I'm a busted, girl. Go on over busted. I tell you, girl, I'm busted all the time. All the time. Uno control what you listen to on social media. Not me, not Yolanda, not Kalina, not Anne-Marie. I uno control something in our hand. So then I got post rat or dog, vulture or eagle or drunkard or elephant or cow or goat. Or pig, I know one of them. I don't know why you. When they say fuck it, me go sprat. And see me can ask if it's sprat, gonna make me happy today. Just I got to know if you know and tap that pig go coast him. Never stop it, no, stop it. I don't know. Me telling you, on the one fish on a spring on his not spring chicken. What are we all foul? What are we all some we are all foul, some we are all cow, some we are all some of we are all camel, some of we are all elephant. What are we all? Take one mirror and put it at the back on the battle and open the battle as if two grey now people that look back down. And that to the blood clot, don't tell me for tell. Then again, I don't think I don't think I have no grade number at all, and I don't think I have no grade number at all. Because I don't have no grade unless I look good every day. I don't see no grade here. So I'm sure it's enough for uno. Uno have grade in our number at all. Uno still things on our young buck. Uno go away and stop make people life miserable out here. Then again, no fun to realize on the soon dead no. No fun to realize on the soon dead. So before the dead, uno want to come cause as much chaos as possible, as much confusion and hurt as much people as possible. That's why I want to get up at daytime and do the things I want to do. And that's just the truth. That's just the truth. You know, say, as bad as people say some people is out here, them is not. I know why I say them is not. Cause them very rarely come on fire, come cast chaos. Yes, we know see them when them come on fire. Them is very chaotic, but it's very real. It's not a daily occurrence. You see them fire, a cause what if confusion and division. When a lucky, when a blood clean lucky. When a lucky. That's a I bet to watch ya. Me I post me store them and not even what I on the internet. Go away. Or not even Instagram store them. So now shit us. On the don't want to hear nothing good. The problem with not found out on the don't want to hear nothing good where can put you in a better position in life. Me tell myself to me make a promise to myself, make a post motivational stories every day. Who want to hear here? Who know why you're not lucky? But never not force, you know. And you know, with time to come, I really am gonna build back over my page from the ground up. By then, not for would have gone, not for the people who want to hate me would have gone, and by then more that have people over there who's just for me. You know some more and change my page again. More and take off trending drama and put on something else. What you think? Yo, Kalina, other talk. Kalina, Anne-Marie, Yolanda. On the face of me change the page name from trending. Nicole said, no, Nicole, you have to talk to. I heard my girl them. No, girl, never that. Never no damn bureau. Other damn woman name is a Margaret. It's damn Margaret. I'm gonna change their name. But we'll put damn bureau. I thought it was never gonna change because enough that I tried change before. I never did change. I'm saying I cool. Remember that's like I'm not saying I not change. Remember I splat the blood clot change from Mr. Bumblewall. I was stuck because of that damn Margaret. And from that day till right now, I don't see what Margaret over here. I don't see Margaret over here. But you love drama only if I change. Love drama how when was the last time yes over here like yes, I understand Simon what you're saying, but when was the last time you see me over here in a drama person? Be blunt, be real. What do you mean I dump off for a bit? So Simone, don't you love drama too? I mean, I love drama, I don't love drama too. Cause bear in mind, at least me know say these days I am not out here, but me I try to bring down people. I'm not doing that, girl. I'm not doing that. All of us did love drama. What are we? Most of the fire. Why you think a lot of them gone left? Because I mean, I get it what they want to get it. Them not getting it. Them not getting it. You don't realize what the fuck of them did like over here? Them like when we play things where I cuss people. I cuss people. Our people that talk really bad about people. And I bring them brand among others. I got no time for that. That is neither here nor there for me. I am damn good. I am good. Me, myself, and I. All I have out here is me. Listen, bear in mind, everybody out here, them have team. I got no team. I'm have just me and a few little girls, a few women, should I say big woman, was them say them like me, I'm like them. That's it, I don't nothing else. You see, you not fake. You see, you not fake. You not over. So how we go on? You look at face to go to star for me again. When you can't see star, look at face to go to star for me again, Taras. Face going to fuck off. Face to stop playing me. It's Facebook give me fuck off. Mark Zuterbeck give me fuck off, sir. Tap, give me a blood class, start take it back. Mark Zuterbeck, take your blood class and push in your big blood clot to talk back to us, sir. Don't give me a star. Do not give me a star, Mark Zuterbeck. Mark Zuckerberg, do not give me a star. I don't want it back. Every time when you give it to me, when you take you away, take the star and push it back to wall. And don't give back to me. Blood clot there, that's me hungry. Tap, give it to me and take it away. How we can turn it off? Sorry, just fuck off, you know. Man, just fuck off. Just fuck all the way after. I don't want your stars. I don't want it. I do not want the stars. Everything give me a star, you take it away. With your stinking blood clot, sir. You're full of shit like blood clot crap. Don't give me a stars again. Nicola stars gone, no, it gone. It gone, no. It look gone to me. It look gone to me. It look gone to me. Every time they want to give me stars. Every time they want to give me, they take you. Give me, tap give to me, tap give back. I don't want to stop giving it to me. I don't look at shit house, you know. I just don't think on guys chick people, I don't look at dead money. Hey, look, $1, $2, don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. So stop it now, Mark Zuckerberg. Stop it now. Mark, I want the people that be on Facebook want to stop it now. Stop it. And then again, let's be real. I feel like say enough of set me up to fail. Wanna set me up to fail. Stars badge is there. Morass. It gone, girl, it gone. Them set me up to fail. I just they want them did unlucky. Sorry about the cost, guys. I'm sorry, huh? Every time they give it to me, they take it like just stop. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Please stop giving me your stars thing. Because it's not like them is giving me stars anyway. So what not give me for? What are you giving it to me for? Them I watch me if you give me stars. Stack me stars. Don't give it again. I don't want it again. You know the people them is not them nine. Them not even interacting. What the fuck can I want for me? You know, from tomorrow come, I'm gonna turn off that stars. Every life from here on out, I'm gonna turn off that stars. It got some of them. Nicole, can you see the stars? Rosalie say gone. I'm not trouble Yolanda, girl. Yolanda good. I am not troubling Yolanda. Yolanda good. I'm not trouble her. In fact, I was making jokes. I'm making jokes with Yolanda. I'm making jokes. Yolanda, you're lucky, girl. You're lucky. Galang of boss said. Galang of boss said. Gualo boss go give post that rat, cow, janko, elephant, eagle, and goat, and cow, and pig. Galang of boss said. You know? You see, stars is gone. It's gone. Exactly. I know it's gone. I know it's gone. But I don't know why they keep giving it to me. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why they keep giving it to me, taking it away. They should keep that shit. Keep your freaking stars. It's not like I'm getting stars anyway. So what's the real problem? You know what? I'm gonna turn off the stars. Let me go to the back end and turn it off, fam. No. I'm gonna go away. It's not there. Usually I would see like something pinned. I would see it. Even though I don't have a pin coming, I would see it myself. Yeah. You know, I just feel like a lot of you people, so one day enough now come and tell me something sorry for the way you treated me. A lot of you will come back one and tell me you're sorry. But by then I'll say it's gonna be a little bit too late. It's gonna be too late by then. Yeah. It's gonna be too late. You know how sad this thing is? It's gone. It's gone. It's definitely gone. It's gone. Maybe it's because they haven't stopped reporting either. I don't know. I don't know. Because many times I've been on my live stream, I see the thing fluctuating many times. So I don't know. But let's realize that enough. I want to just know if to keep people down. I don't know if to keep people down in the ground, in the mud. And that's okay. Just know so while I'm down in the mud, I will never suffer. I can never suffer. Never. I will never suffer. One day God will remove me from this bondage. I feel like I'm being held in a bondage right now. One day I will be able to free myself from that bondage. One day. If not today, if not tomorrow, it will happen. Amen, and amen. I salute that coming. Them cannot keep. Realize. What Vanessa. Not for them. Them did want me to give up. I'm look at social media. Them they want me to stop comparing. I say, oh, you know, say. All the people can chat to 5. I'm coming up on chat on my page. I'm gonna come up on chat. I said, can't go wrong. Long as I'm over by myself, I'm fine. I don't need the hundreds. I don't need thousands. Just a few. Few will really, really mean me good. I will sit down and chat. That's it. That. Miss bigger than me go down to nothing at all. Nothing at all. Woman there, I am it's not all the way too far. Me say that people go. Miss people out here where used to pull thousands upon them live stream. Thousands. I will look at the live stream and look if they have 10 people. Alright, girl. Alright, go on, do your thing. It's so funny. But some people out here who used to have thousands upon them live stream. I will go on the live stream now. They look if they have 10. I only had a few hundreds. A few hundred. Don't get me wrong, one time alone I can remember that I got 4,000. One time, only one number time alone. And that was after Majesty done a live stream with the Mantina Chinda War. I'm turning on my live stream right after, and I've got 4. Mr. Bumble